Hello everyone, this is Apurva Sakla, member of COPS ITVHU. In this Git series, we are here to learn Git cherry pick command. So, what is Git cherry pick command? Git cherry pick command is actually a very powerful command used to bring out the changes made by some existing commits, or we can say it is used to picking changes made by arbitrary Git commits and append them to current working head. So we can bring out changes made by other commits into our branch. Let me give you an example. Imagine there is a project in which there are two branches. In the first branch, there are three commits, and in the second branch, there are two new commits, and its base tip is at 2. Now, imagine a scenario in which you want to bring out the changes made during 2.2 to your My branch. So, you will just cherry pick this commit. This will create a new commit with the same changes made during 2.2 but with a different hash. So this is a scenario. This commit will have different hash, but with the same changes. Now, one more thing is that point to be noted that Git cherry pick does not alter the history. It just add to the history means it create a new commit. Also, Git cherry pick is not always recommended because it creates code duplication. Now, if you want a practical example, so a practical example can be imagine a scenario in which you are working on a project. Now, you are working on a feature of that project and you encountered an error. Because of that error, you can't work upon your feature. And imagine your friend is working on another feature of that project and he actually solved that issue and he's continuing his work. So you can wait for your friend's branch to be merged, or you can just cherry pick that commit in which he fixed the issue, and you can continue your work. So this is a good example of Git cherry pick. Now let me open editor. Here we will see practical example of Git cherry pick. So here we have a repo which have two branches. Git branch. First is master and second is stem. We are currently on master branch. Now let us see what are all the commits here. So in this repo, first in a start we had master branch in which there were two commits, one and feature two. After that, we created a new branch temp, and there were new commits like feature three update, feature four. These are new commits. Okay. Now, imagine first just check out to your temp branch. Yeah. Now you are on temp branch. Now here, while working in the project, imagine in feature2.txt, you got a line and it is actually a bug. Okay, so you are working in the temp branch and you encountered a bug. So you will fix this, means remove this line. So you fix the bug. Now commit this change. First add it and commit it. So feature 2 bug fixed, you fixed the bug. Now, but this bug is actually fixed in your temp branch. You also have to fix it in a master branch so that other developers can pull out the changes, so that they can't they will also uh, don't face problems due to this error. So what you will do is just cherry pick this commit into your master branch, because you can't just merge all the commits made in temp branch to the master branch, because it will also like add feature 5 feature 4 to the master branch. So one more thing to be noted is that the way we do git cherry pick is uh, the branch in which we want to bring in the changes, we have to be on that branch during git cherry pick. So first check out to the master branch. Now I am on master branch. We need the reference or hash value of that commit that we want to cherry pick. So git log. Now feature 2 bug fixed. This was the commit. So just copy starting 4 5 characters that would work. Starting 4 5 characters of that has, and just get cherry pick Yeah. Now, one more thing is that if you just hit enter, this command will just create a new commit, having the changes you made during that commit that you are cherry picking. But the thing is that it will have same message that you had in that commit in the previous commit. Okay. What if you want to edit that? I want to show that you. Okay. You can just simply hit enter and it will work. But what if you want to change the message of the commit? Okay. So minus e flag will work here. So just minus e. This will open the editor. Get it? Here you just rename the commit feature to bug fixed cherry pick. Save it. Now close it. Okay. Now if you just get logged, here is the change and see in the feature 2 there is no bug. Okay. Now the other thing is that what if you want to bring out multiple changes? Okay. Means multiple commits you want to get cherry pick. So here and get log. In the other branch temp, we have two commits feature 4 and feature 5. Means these two commits are adding actually feature 4 and feature 5 and temp branch. What if you want these two commits to be cherry picked in master branch? So you can do that. For that we need the hash value of these two commits. So just open the terminal here. uh, Now you are on the master branch. You want to cherry pick, so get cherry pick here in the get cherry pick. You have one point to be noted is in case of multiple commits, you have to write the commits in like older to newer ones. Means the starting one will be the oldest one. The feature 4 have created earlier, so I will copy it first. Okay, now double dot 2 and then the other commit. But one thing is that it will cherry pick all the commits after the first one and up to the last one. Means the first one will be discarded. So you have to point out to its parent so that its child will be included. So you will use caret here. Yeah, this will work here. Now just use this and see the feature 4 and feature 5 is here. Okay, now if you want to just get log C and in the master branch C the same name, and for each commit you are cherry picking, individual commits are created here. Okay. Now the next thing is that what if you want no commit? Means you want only the changes of that commit. You want that changes to be in your branch, and after that you want to add some more changes in that branch, means in your branch, and then commit it. So you will use minus n flag, means no commit flag. This is a shortcut. So uh, first get log. What you want to cherry pick is okay. So on your temp branch, there is commit feature 3. Okay, you want this commit to be in your branch, but you want only changes here. So just get cherry pick. You will use minus n flag for no commit and copy this hash value starting and copy it. Okay, so this will add those changes and this just stays the file. Okay, so feature 3 is here and it is also staged. See get status. It is a staged file. Now get commit. Okay, you can create commit as you like. So edit feature 3 using cherry pick. This is created. Now just get log. See this commit is here and feature 3 is also added here.